Welcome to Sizzling Taste Buds. Today we shall see a very easy, quick, delicious and vegan pumpkin soup that can be made for any time of the year. Pumpkin soup is a wonderful vegan gluten-free soup that you can make not just during winters or fall, but if you have access to pumpkin all through the year, then you can make this quick, delicious soup in no time. Let's see how to make it. Before we get on to the recipe, I hope you have liked and subscribed to our channel. If not done yet, please do so, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive all further notifications. Thank you very much. The following are the ingredients used for this lovely pumpkin soup. The list is also provided in the description box below. In a pan, heat 1 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can use any neutral oil, and once it gets a little medium hot, add all the ginger, garlic, onion, tomatoes and the pumpkin and saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the onions get a little translucent and the tomatoes start to shrivel a bit. You can continue sauteing on a low flame till this happens. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the vegetables get glossy, you can add the dal and the vegetable stock. You can either add vegetable stock or water. I had water, so I've added it, but I'm leaving the description link of the homemade vegetable stock in the I button above. Once the water begins to boil, you can add the salt and the other spices which have been given in the description box to the soup now, and let it pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. Once the pressure has died on its own, then remove the whistle and open the cooker. The vegetables and the dal would have been cooked very well, and you can either use a potato masher, a hand blender or any other device you want to puree them. Do not discard any fiber from this particular soup, and strain it to a smooth consistency, either using a hand blender or a pav bhaji masher like shown, and return the soup back to the soup pot or the cooker, whatever you're using, and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. If so desired, at this point you can add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted garlic powder. We love it a lot in our soup, so I added that. Otherwise, the soup is ready. Creamy, delicious vegan pumpkin soup is ready to be served hot. Serve it as it is, or you can serve it with soup sticks. We do hope that you loved the recipe and will make this delicious, easy and vegan gluten-free pumpkin soup. And this is a very nutritious soup, and I'm sure you will enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you've subscribed to our channel. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.